Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clean up your drive by delete all unusable file and remove all temporary files from your computer. And as you can see, my local disk C is almost full. So today, I will clean all temporary files in this drive to save more free space. So let's start it. Right-click on the local disk and click on Properties. And here, just click on Disk Cleanup. Then check all the box. And you don't need to be worried. It's nothing to be lost after you remove all these files. It's just unusable and temporary files that's stored in your computer or your laptop. And after you select all the files, then click OK. Click Delete Files. Then it will take you some time to remove all unnecessary files from your computer. And if your computer has many temporary files, then it will take you a little bit longer. OK, after it's finished, then just click Apply and click OK. Then refresh your computer, and you will see the result. As you can see, before my laptop space free only 8 GB, but after I clean it, now, I got 34.5 GB free. It's really big different. And if you never do this method on your computer or your laptop, then go to do it, 100% guarantee. You won't lost anything at all. It's just unusable, unnecessary, and temporary files that you're not need them anymore. Okay, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button and feel free give subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thanks and bye for now.